Deciphering the phrase, tailspin. Hello learners! Today we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, tailspin. Let's understand its origin, meaning, and usage. We'll simplify things, so by the end of this video, you'll be confident using it in conversations. The term, tailspin, originates from aviation. When an aircraft enters a downward spiral, uncontrollably spinning around its tail, this is called a tailspin. It's an emergency situation that pilots train rigorously to recover from. The phrase has since been adopted into common English to describe various situations. In a literal sense, a tailspin refers to an airplane's sudden and rapid descent while rotating around its tail. This term is now less commonly used in its literal sense, but it's essential to understand this to appreciate its metaphorical use. Metaphorically, when someone says they're in a tailspin, they mean they're feeling overwhelmed or out of control in a situation, experiencing a rapid decline or deterioration. Examples: 1. After hearing the sad news, Jane went into a tailspin. 2. The company's stocks are in a tailspin after the negative press coverage. It's essential to use this phrase in appropriate contexts. Here are some tips. Use it to describe situations of distress, panic, or rapid decline. Avoid overusing it. Save it for instances that truly resonate with its meaning. Remember, context is vital. It might not be suitable for light-hearted or casual situations. And there you have it. Now you know the origins, meanings, and usage of the phrase, tailspin. English is full of such fascinating idioms, and understanding them will undoubtedly enrich your language skills. We hope this video shed light on this particular phrase for you. Keep learning and stay curious.